Good morning, my dears. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. I know you are sitting inside of home. Dear students, now just look outside your home. How do you feel today? Yes, it's cloudy or windy or rainy. Yeah, now a day it's very rainy day, right? Yes, it's very cool during day and night. Okay, students, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter. The chapter name is Seasons. Are you ready? Yes, very good.
Okay, Chapter 2 Seasons. Seasons. Identify the seasons: hot season, cold season, rainy season with the following clues. See, students, what is this? Yes, ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I too like ice cream. See, when you see ice cream, which climatic condition do you remember? Like hot, cold, rain? Yes, hot season. So write down hot season. Okay, next one. What is this? Yes, raincoat. Yeah, in rainy season, we go out, we wear raincoat. Okay, so write rainy season. Yes. Next one, sweater. Do you know sweater? Yes. Which season we wear sweater? Yes. Cold season. So write down cold season. Okay. Next, on some days you may feel hot, on some days you may feel cold. Sometimes on the same day itself. You may feel hot at times and cold at other times. This is because the weather keeps changing. The weather describes how hot or cold, wet or dry a day is. When the weather remains the same over a period of time, it is called a season. There are 5 seasons in a year: summer, rainy season, autumn, winter, and spring. In most of the places in India, we have 3 main seasons: summer, rainy season, and winter. Students, why do we have such different days? Our earth is surrounded by atmosphere like this. The different conditions of atmosphere brings different kinds of days. The conditions of atmosphere is called weather. And then a particular types of weather remains for a long time. It is called season. Okay? Right? There are 5 seasons in a year: spring, autumn, winter, summer, rainy season. Okay? There are 3 main seasons in India: summer, winter, rainy season. Alright? Okay. First one, Summer. Summer. When the days are warm, it is called summer. April, May, and June are the summer months. We wear cotton clothes. We eat ice cream and drink juices and milkshakes in summer season. We must drink a lot of water in summer because we sweat a lot. Sweat means to have drop of liquid appear on the surface of your skin when you feel hot. Okay? We use fans and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. So students, summer months are April, May, June. So during summer it is very hot. The sun shines hot and bright over us. Wells and rivers dry up during summer. In some parts of India, hot, dry winds called low blow, and people use fans and air conditioner. We like to have some ice cream and cool drinks. But students, ice creams and cool drinks are what we call, yes, junk food. So, we should not take it much. We should always avoid taking these ice creams and cool drinks. In summer season, we wear loose cotton clothes. Also, we must drink a lot of water. Okay, right? Next one, rainy season. Rainy season. When the rains for a few months together, it is called the rainy season. In most of places in India, the rainy months are June, July, and August. We wear raincoats and carry umbrellas when we go out in the rain. Students, the rainy seasons comes in the months June, July, August. It brings relief to farms as they get enough water for cultivation. The wells and rivers fill up during rainy season. We use raincoats and umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. We near thunder and we see lightning in the sky. Sometimes we see a rainbow when there is bright sunshine after the rain. The colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay?
Hope you all understood today's class. We will continue this chapter next class. Okay, students? Let's wind up our class. See you.